Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel if you're returning. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Brittany. Anyways, so as you see by the title of this video, it was supposed to be a mukbang, and I wanted it to be kind of like a get to know me, so I was going to do 20 random questions, not questions, 20 random facts, but then we got carried away because it was me, my sister, and my cousin, and my phone got overheated, so I lost probably about more than half of what I thought I was recording. But anyways, so yeah, stop, Blue. This is so I just want to give you a little, like, I don't want to say what it's called, like a little insider about what my channel is going to be, like kind of an introduction to what it's going to be. That's what the rest of the video is kind of talking about. At first I was going to make it just a beauty related channel, but I think I'm just going to have this channel be kind of set up like, I don't know, like just a daily everything of me, who I am. Because, you know, sometimes I be thinking to myself up here in this big old head of mine. I be like, dang, girl, why ain't you got a TV show? Because you're funny, you can beat your face, you're funny. Okay. Because, I mean, that's probably really all I got to offer somebody is hilarity, okay? But anyways, so besides talking to myself in my head, I don't talk out loud. But besides, you know, having a conversation with myself in my head, that's when I decided to officially make this channel the closest thing to a weekly reality show that I'm ever gonna get. Because let's be real, I ain't ever gonna make it on TV, honey. So yeah, so this channel's gonna be focused on my beauty. Stop, be a good boy. My beauty views slash skills slash whatever opinions on everything beauty related, and hair. I like do hair too because I went to cosmetology school. That was gonna be one of the facts that I told about myself, but I lost my sheet, so I had them all written down. Anyways, this is my dog Jelly Bean. Obviously he's a weenie dog. I don't really know. You can't really tell that much, but yeah, he's a weenie dog and he's my baby and I love him so much. And yeah, so in the rest of the video you're gonna meet my sister and my cousin, but they'll introduce themselves because they're crazy just like me. We're loud, we're ratchet, we're really silly and kind of funny. I will say a disclaimer though, it kind of looks like my cousin's throwing my kitten, but she's not. I promise she didn't. She just kind of just made it look like she was throwing him, like, but she really didn't. She just set him down. He's fine, because as you can see, he comes right back in the video and he's trying to eat our food. But yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and give you just a little bit more about myself. I am from Georgia. I'm a Libra. I'm 24. I'll be 25 on the 29th of this month, which is September. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Besides I have a kitten named Baby Shark. We have a cat named Cat, spelled with a K, K-A-T. My sister has a dog named Zara, and then we as a family have a dog named Blue. I'm poor. Very poor. Like, help me, I poor. Let's see. Dang. Oh. My favorite shows are... I'm gonna set this up like date profile. Okay. So, hi, my name's Brittany. I like scary movies, American Horror Story, Supernatural, Saturday Night Live, all the Love and Hip Hop franchises, and gangster rap. That's why you should pick me. But no, for real though. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this epic failure of a mukbang. Okay, because that's what it is. It was a picnic. We was outside, and all around us was just a situation. We bring the party where we go. So, yeah, there's that. But yeah. So, I hope you guys stuck around through this long ass motherfucking intro. If you stay till the end, there's probably gonna be some bloopers in there too because we're crazy. I tried to film this intro 3 times. So, yeah. Anyways, again, just please stick around, and all my social media is going to be in the description box below. So is my sisters and so is my cousins. If you guys want to check them out, follow them. That'd be cool. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Please remember to like and subscribe. Only like if you liked it, and only subscribe if you like me. I'm not going to expect everybody to like me. Sound off in the comments below. I don't know what to say. Sound off in the comments any, like, who your favorite family members are. If you're an only child, then, you know, if you have, like, favorite cousins or, like, just crazy stuff that you and your friends get into, I would really like to hear some of the stories. Anyways, thank you guys, and just please stick around for the foolishness that is my life.
Get the fuck! Hey!
Oh, it's in the camera. Don't you come over here trying to steal my freaking food.
The fuck?
Kelci.
I ain't throwing that hard.
Hello, we here.
I just threw it just a little bit. I just threw it just a little bit.
Oh god. Hi guys.
The fuck? Get on somewhere, the fuck.
It's me, Brittany, again.
Back off!
And
You wanna cut?
No. And if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a picnic slash mukbang slash get
Back
to
the
know
heck
me.
on, boy. I swear to God, bro. You still my freaking good ass chicken sandwich? It's on.
Anyways, this is my
Let me
sister.
go live on my Insta while we're doing this.
My
No,
sister.
bro.
I can't go live on that. I don't even know if I can download apps on
Get.
that phone.
Yes, you can. Back away, bro.
She can't download no app. She ain't got no iPhone.
Brittany, take your
Baby
phone,
shark.
dude.
Come here.
Man, you getting hair everywhere.
Bro,
Anyways.
we're not going live anywhere.
This
I'm going live right now.
Okay, on
is
your
Baby
phone,
Shark,
dude.
and it's our kitten.
What did she say she
It's
got?
very cute.
Can we start this? Can we
Yes,
start
you
eating?
can start eating.
Alright, I'm gonna start eating, y'all.
I'm gonna start eating too.
Brittany, you're not even be able to view in this.
I'm here.
It's your video and you're in the back. What kind of crap is
Well,
that?
Kelci's dumb. I won't even get out the way.
Well, I just want to set my phone up also. Ah!
Why you want?
Huh? No. Oh, the pin is 1213. Now everybody on Instagram know my freaking pin. Bro, I'm so funny. Okay. Oh no, I dropped it again.
Brittany, come on.
Okay, I'm
Back
done.
up, bro.
Just give me a second. Oh, yes. You was talking to the
Get the
cat.
heck on.
Okay, I'm gonna set mine up right here.
Kelci, what the heck?
How is that only 47.47?
What you say?
That's on my
It's
tab.
$47 on there. I put
Man.
$53 on there.
For real. She put that on there. Back up, man. You're not gonna play.
I did put that extra $3 on there.
Mhm.
Just for
It was
that. It was supposed to be
53
$53. I haven't used it at all.
When did you put it on? You put it on there in August?
I put it on there
She put it on like a few days
a
ago.
few days ago. Exactly. I put it on there to send it to somebody.
Oh, y'all.
I put it on there to send it to somebody, and it didn't work. Hey, oh no, the
Mom,
phone.
please come get your friend. Hey, man, it ain't mine either.
Come here,
Okay,
Baby Shark.
I'm just joking.
Kelci, the sandwiches with the tomatoes on them.
I'm going to
is
finish
mine.
with the tomato. I'm gonna just get one of the ones with the tomato. Where they at?
On this side right here.
Where they at? Bro, I'm too funny right now.
What?
I don't know this hoe.
What?
I do not know her.
We're on camera, yes.
I'm on live on Instagram. I went live on Instagram.
She's sick in the head, I promise you.
Ooh, I'm funny. Okay, let me get one.
Get it.
Get the
Today,
cat
so.
out of here.
No.
Hey, y'all hit me up. No, I'm just kidding.
We having a picnic.
You need to delete this and turn it off because you're
I'm having a
embarrassing
picnic.
yourself.
We having a
You're
little picnic,
embarrassing.
A
y'all.
little picnic. Whoa, look, it's so cool that we're recording two at the same time.
Anyway, so
Catch me on YouTube later. Whoa, we can go off? What the heck?
whoa.
Whoa. Oh,
Yeah,
no, don't do that.
Anyways,
Somebody said, they can't even hear us. It's muffled. I don't know how to not make it muffled, dog. I'm sorry.
go away, BB
Thank
Shark.
God they didn't hear
Now
that.
Cat finna come over here and pounce.
Oh, I paused it. Cat, get out of here.
I promise you it will.
By the way, you guys, that phantom voice in the background is me, Mom.
Bro, how do I turn this up?
You gotta hold it close.
Hold it close
Hold
to
it
what?
Your face.
Yo.
You on there right now?
Yeah, I'm on it. Why your brightness so dark?
I swear to God to be doing that.
But it's turned
if
up
you're
all
doing that,
the
as
way.
soon as I come outside, it goes straight
But
black.
it's turned up all the way.
I'd be so mad. I'd be like, what the heck?
Who this
They be
is?
doing that. They be doing it, y'all.
Somebody said, what's up? What's up?
Hello.
Okay.
Is this even what you supposed to do whenever you do
I
a
don't
mukbang?
know.
It's a ratchet ass mukbang, boy, I tell you what.
We in this beat.
Finna get crunk, eyebrows on fleek, the fuck. The fuck.
Hey, all of our eyebrows is on fleek, y'all.
Hey, the fuck.
I don't think they can see me no more.
Hey.
They can't, you got cut out.
Oh no.
What we doing?
We
It's about hot as
We're having a
balls.
picnic. We're doing a mukbang.
Picnic ain't crazy.
Oh, man. What the heck?
That's why I put tape on my phone. Kelci, you put it in front of the camera, you dip dog. God. Go away, baby shark.
She real special. Off my phone.
Why your brightness so low? I can't even. I can
Hello,
barely even see
we,
myself.
That's a
They fell
little
off the
bad
bike.
kid, you know. Oh, they fell off the bike.
Oh, heck no.
They probably got a skint little
Kelci,
knee.
how about this one day? this mama was screaming for their kid. Bet. No.
I'm seeing your face.
Right.
Hey! Go somewhere, man.
Right.
You sicking my soul. And this mama was looking for their kid, and I was answering as the kid.
Well, let me tell you. That
Give
was
me one of
like,
them cups. Some of that
was
drink
it
in it.
calling Brittany or Brandy?
I don't know.
That's
I,
mine. That's got my name on
I said,
it.
yeah.
That
Yeah.
one.
What? And I was like, come here.
I don't even know what nobody's saying on it. Y'all turn. What the heck? What the heck?
Ow! Oh, Brittany. I swear, Brittany.
God.
You don't have to bite me and get away with
Baby
it.
shark.
How many of these we get?
I only got one view on here. Only one person watching.
Hello, one person.
That is sad.
Or one.
Hey, you ever got on somebody's live and it'd be like, you're the only one viewing, so you click out real quick, like, I can't be the only one viewing your live.
It's falling.
Ah!
Truth be told, I ain't never watched nobody's live.
Truth be told,
If
I watched.
ever clicked on y'all live, it was by accident.
Yeah, I
swear
just
to
watched
God.
it for like a couple
I
minutes.
only ever went live.
And then I realized I'm the only one watching, so I gotta
ain't never been
exit.
live.
I ain't never been live either. It's my first time. I'm kind of lit about it. Mhm.
I went live one time at school because I was
What
trying
my
to
highlight
Whoa,
looking
you
like?
almost made
What my highlight looking like? Y'all can see it?
You know,
The fuck?
what the heck was that? Was that thunder?
No, that was them kids.
Oh.
Them poor little kids.
Them kids. Oh, be embarrassing. Whoever that one person is, I'm sorry.
Excuse us.
I spilled my drink just a little bit.
I missed my mouth.
Oh my god. Whoa! I forgot it was out. I forgot it was out.
You showing live your freaking vagina.
Sorry. My pants is a little bit ripped, so you can kind of
You
see
sick
my.
in the head.
I went into cricket with my pants like this. You want to see my pants?
Oh,
I'll show you my
Brittany.
pants.
Brittany, look what happened.
What happened?
Oh,
Oh, you
heck
dropped
no.
your crust.
It's a little bit ripped right here. Oh, oh, heck no. saying forever, Kelci. Where you been at? Who is you? I probably do know you. I just don't know you. I know you, but I don't know you because I can't see your pictures. What is it? Okay, man. You got it.
What is? What are we supposed to be doing on this? Oh, she thought you were a hoe.
Hey, what's up? Okay, you're in here.
Hey, see if she replied, bro.
She did. No, not her, but somebody else did.
She did.
No. I died.
Whoa.
Is her number saved?
Hey, that's a good
Is it a 404? Oh.
She says back. Give me my phone.
But I'm still live.
Well,
It's
give it to me.
Jaquan. Hey, Jaquan.
Give me it.
I don't know. Jaquan, say hey.
Give me the dang phone.
Okay,
Give
can
me
I go
it.
back live when we get done?
No.
Bye, Jaquan.
Hey, doesn't that hurt your feet? Give me my phone.
Doesn't it? Okay.
This kid's riding his bike with no shoes. Doesn't that like
Hurt your feet. Duh, it hurts my freaking feet. Was it her?
Emileigh, BB shorts coming around back.
Was it her?
Okay, that's cool.
Oh!
Send the Addy.
Okay, send it to him.
Tag!
Baby cat, I'm finna throw you across the room, man. For real.
Kelci,
For real.
we don't do no freaking animal abuse. It's a
What?
grass.
Well, what the heck is this then? This a cat head.
No, it's a baby.
Cat head.
Come here, baby shark.
That is a cat head. Look
Hold
at it.
your little friend because I don't want no cat head.
I don't want no cat head. Oh, we still videoing.
Yes, Kelci, this is for my YouTube channel.
Oh, shoot. Hey, y'all follow me on Instagram at its. Wait. Hold on, wait. Its.kelcii.
Kelci, I'll put, girl,
C-I. Hey, with 2 eyes at the end, okay?
Kelci, I'll put it in the description box below.
Okay, she gonna put it in the description box. Follow me on
She's in
Instagram
ours.
and follow me on Snapchat too. I'm put it in the thingy. I've always wanted to do that. To say it's down there. It's gonna be posted in the link. Like,
You sick
It's down
of me.
there.
I swear to God, bro.
you sicking me with that flour on your freaking sandwich.
That's your sandwich. I already ate mine.
That ain't my sandwich.
No money on my
On my card. Hey,
Bankrupt.
I have $47 on my card.
Hey,
Hey, but no, look. Guess what?
you already ate yours. Mine. I already ate
Bankroll
mine.
ugly. No money on my card.
Hey, so what we doing? What's the move? Oh.
He did a flipsy.
Oh.
I'm finna turn the camera around
Looks
so
like
they
you hurt
can
his
see.
back. Why did you keep? There go Picho. What? Uh-huh. Oh, look, cat
That's
on
because
the
I'm so
prowl.
damn fine.
The fuck?
The fuck?
With the vagine out. That's why they came over here. They said, "Oh,
It's because I'm so damn fine.
I
Eh,
did
the
a little bit of chicken
fuck. You gotta turn that down for real. Hello. Nice to meet you. It'll be posted down below. Look at us.
Look at us and she proceeds to be the only person.
Try it again, man. Try it again.
Try it again, dog. What's that say?
Mom, you really embarrassing
where you
them
at?
kids.
Man, I'm in freaking Locust Grove. Somebody come scoop. Where you at? Shut it.
But we trying to get.
Watch him, y'all. Watch him.
Leave him alone, Mama.
Do it, little man.
Leave him alone. Mom, stop. What the heck? I can't post this. Y'all, my stomach hurt. My stomach on 10. I can't go nowhere. Bro, do I want those noodles? That's what I've been thinking. Do I? Can I need them? I mean,
Can I
need them? I don't know, can you? Oh, I really need to talk to y'all only if this wasn't on camera right now. What?
This is my good side. The other side is not.
This I swear this how should be. Yeah, like this. Look, you know,
Ooh,
in your birthday
really?
video. In your birthday video, Kelci. Oh. You know.
Hey, somebody come scoop me. I'm in Locust Grove. Hey.
Wait. Yeah, cause he could. Man.
And you just distracted
Because
him.
Kelci is so stupid. All she worried about is the dang live. We supposed to be making a video for Brittany YouTube channel.
Yeah.
She's so fake.
I'm not
Oh,
editing
she's
this.
so fake.
I'm not editing in this mukbang.
You ain't gotta edit this. Everybody can see me for the real me.
That's
And
what
it
they
ain't
finna
nothing of
get.
Brittany. It's on her dang channel. Brittany, you barely even seen. Yeah.
Yes, I'm on YouTube. I have a YouTube video. I mean, I only have one video, so.
She said I got a
They
YouTube.
be like, who
You
is
watched
these
my video?
freaking white people? I told her to watch it, yeah.
I locked it. I locked
Get the
it.
phone, keep on.
What the heck?
Yeah. It was a chit chatty.
You watched the whole thing?
I
When?
say like a lot. You know?
I just told you about it like yesterday.
Okay, so hey you guys. Now I know the title of this video is a mukbang, but my camera cut out halfway through filming it, so I'm just gonna
Hello, the fuck. I'm just a little bit drunk. Just a little bit. I gotta change my shirt. Don't mind me.
Tis my sister. You're gonna meet her in the video later on. Anyways, I just want to give a quick little kind of intro. So this was definitely supposed to be just a regular mukbang, but hi you guys.
Hello, Brittany.
Hey,
Where's stupid shoes at?
I
Man?
said I don't know.
She want me to look for them like I'm